Hello and welcome to Learning Python Programming for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn about control statements in Python. And in this video, we are going to start with, first of all, if and else. So first, let's learn about if statement. So if I have x equal to 5 and y equal to, let's say, 10, then, and if I want to compare them and print the largest value among them, then what I'm going to do is simply write if, and then I'm going to write statement as if x is greater than y, then I'm going to print x is greater than y. Okay, simple statement. So this is how you write condition. So you don't need to write parenthesis condition in parenthesis. You can either write, so this is greater than, you can write greater than, equal to, you can write equal to like this, you can write less than or equal to or just less than, you can write not equal to. So these are all combinations which are available in compare the operators which are used for comparison. These all operators are available in Python also. So if x is not equal to y, then I can write x is not equal to. Okay, so if I run this, yeah, so this is about simple if. Now if I want to write else, then so, and if I write one statement here, this is going to be outside of if block. Okay, so this statement is always going to get executed. So suppose if I write something like this, x is greater than y, and what if I run this, then you can see this condition is false. But since this print statement is not indented, so it is considered by Python interpreter that this condition is outside of this if block. Okay, if I indent this print statement like this, then interpreter will think that these are all statements inside this block and it will print nothing. All right, it has printed nothing. So the indentation is very important in Python, as we don't use curly braces like any or most of the programming languages. We have to be very careful about indentation. Okay, in fact, you can use extra space so that the code will be more readable. It is optional, but it will make your code will look much cleaner and more readable. Okay, so now if I want to write else condition here, then I will write else, and again I will use colon, and then I will write print statement, and I will write x is not greater than y. All right, so now it will print, it will go into else part, and then it will print this outside of the block statement. So as expected, it has gone inside this else part and it has printed this statement. Now, in many times, what we need to do is we need a third statement. We need multiple checks. We may need to do per multiple checks in our code. In that case, what you need to do is you can use elif, and you can put condition like this: x is less than y. And in last condition, I will say that x is, I can conclude that x is equal y. Okay, so this is how you write multiple conditions. First, so first is if block, so it is going inside this. So what if I write, so what if I flip the values? If I run this and x is greater than y and outside of if block, and if I make them equal, then it's x is equal to y. So all three conditions we tested, and this is how you write multiple conditions. All right, so this is how you write. So be careful about this indentation. So that was about in this video. In next video, we'll be talking about for loop, while loops in Python. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.